All right, it's Monday morning. Let's get in here, see what we got going on here. Roberta, did you get a hold of Mr. Foley? He called yesterday, wanted to go over some things with you.
No.
Well, you sent something over this morning, so I figured you hadn't got with him. Gary, turn some heat on, please.
Yeah, I just sent it right now, but I haven't talked to him since Friday. No, since...
He called yesterday. He wanted to do some modifications, so call him. He said he wanted to talk to you before he proceeded.
Oh, okay.
So don't be turning in something with that. Then, yeah, I don't know what all we wanted, but just get a hold of him.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know he was over some stuff.
That's what I was telling you. Feeling better, bud?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Jumping jacks?
Mm-hmm.
It's 58 in here, going to 68.
Yeah.
Hey, I got you on for Mr. Koch's house. Rudy and I were up there on Saturday doing a lighting. We didn't turn the water off, but he just turned the alarm off for you. So I put it on the end, sometime on your schedule today. And then we got the farm we could do tomorrow. But also, Melvin will be done fairly early today, Gary. If you want to get with Melvin, meet him up there maybe for a minute today. We could do the farm too if you wanted to. I was just talking to Mr. Koch a minute ago.
Oh, okay.
Because we went up there and got the lights done.
Yeah, you guys were going up there Saturday, weren't you?
Yeah. We went up there Saturday. Who had Pitt for rehang? Who was that? That would be Nordy? Nordy? Huh?
Phoenix?
Did Felix have Pitt?
No, the others.
Pitt. Pitt. He had Jay King. Okay, so Pitt had to be...
Yeah.
No, Jeff was doing Connor. He's doing Johnson. That was the one we tried to do on Saturday. Jeff had O'Connor. Rudy had Pitt. Okay. So this is new. We got the white, but we need some red and greens. This is the one, remember, he didn't write up and it never got turned into me. So we need 45 strands of red, 50 of green. I got them coming, but I don't have them yet. We need to pull them from somewhere. The rest of these are all rehangs, okay? And that other new one that we were trying to do on Saturday, the lady wouldn't let us do it on Saturday. It's on for today. So I got Felix doing it today. He's going back to do Janet's house. So the lady's having a party, so we couldn't do the lights in the yard. Would that make any sense? I guess to her it did. All right, let's see what's going on here in the office this morning. Hey, Miss Happy. Good morning, Miss Happy. Did you get a car this weekend?
No.
No?
What brings me to? Can I cash out my Google reviews?
I don't know. I'll have to go to the bank.
I gotta go get my old car.
Get your old car. Morning, Jess. How are you? Fantastic. You doing good up there?
I'm doing good, yeah, thank you.
She's doing good. She's already been here 27 minutes and she's on to it. Cool. Miss Waters?
Yes.
What's the words of wisdom today?
Don't fuck up.
Beep, 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 beep. Gotta cut that out. I can't cuss like that on film, on video. It's improper.
Have a fantastic day.
Fantastic day. Yeah. Caitlin, you see the folders from Saturday I put on your chair?
Yep.
How many Google's reviews did you have?
26.
Okay. All righty. We can get on the road. I'll see you later, Mrs. Waters.
See ya.
All right. Let's see what's going on here this morning. Let's see what's going on with the girls this morning. We got some leaves to clean out of this pond. Fish are there looking like, come on, get these leaves cleaned up here, Mr. Bob. It's a mess. All right. Let's see what's going on here in the office. Caitlin, what's going on? Scheduling?
Let me put you on a brief hold, okay? Could we do a drainage job on a Friday or no?
Yeah.
Roberto sold a job and I guess never told him when he was scheduled. He just took the deposit and had Katie schedule him for December 5th and the guy's not happy. They see the second that we have an opening
The 2nd?
Yeah, the 2nd. of
December 2nd?
I know it's a couple days earlier, but he wants like something
Yeah.
sooner.
Yeah.
So. Okay.
2nd's fine. It's awful quiet over here.
I'm taking notes.
You taking notes?
Yeah. I won't remember unless I write it down.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good way of burning them in your head too, you know,
Exactly.
subconsciously. You doing okay?
Yeah. A little overwhelmed, just a little.
Yeah. Well, that's typical though, right?
Yep, exactly.
Everybody be overwhelmed starting a new job.
Yeah.
Katie went on for a couple years. It took her 3 years until she got the basics down.
Oh my god.
Wasn't that long, was it, Katie?
No.
2 years. How's the winterizations going?
We are working on leads, and Carrie's working on that.
Okay.
And,
How's the leads going?
going good so far. Left a few messages, but
I had a bunch of people over the weekend.
yeah.
I had
we have
several.
70.
I had several lead searches going. You think?
Yeah.
YouTube,
say
Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of them were kicking in. People were like, "Hey, I need some help. I need some help with my lights. Can someone come up here and get them
all the
over?"
holiday lighting ones in here.
Oh,
You see ya?
so many.
Seeing them?
So many. It's what most of them are.
Yeah.
A lot of them coming in that way.
Yeah.
Well, I kind of held off on the everything else right now,
Mm-hmm.
just so we could concentrate on one. You know.
Yeah.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Good deal.
there.
Let's get in the classroom. We got some YouTube scripts to knock out today. So let's get in there. Get some scripts knocked out. Traffic, traffic.
Yes, sir.
Traffic everywhere. And you got that propane truck down here, Route 50. That made a big mess. That backed up everybody about 2 hours because everybody has to go, you know, around the Naval Academy, come back around, or go around College Parkway and around
Right.
because the bridge is closed westbound.
Yeah, I ended up going through 95 to.
But that wasn't linked to that, right? That was a whole different episode.
Yeah, this was 895 at like near the tunnel,
Uh huh.
and I saw that it said there's a 39-minute slowdown, so I took the last exit I possibly could.
Wow. You ready to knock out some scripts today?
Yeah.
Huh? Coming no racing on yesterday.
Season's over, Bob.
Season's over. Probably that's why I couldn't find nothing on any of my channels.
That would probably be the reason. You can always check YouTube for prior races and events.
Yeah, I could probably watch some races in the summer I didn't catch. Are we clear here on the wall? Christmas lights? I had Greg knock some things down.
Get
Are
back
you?
to you on that.
Okay. All right. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.